Hello everyone, I Vatsal Mishra from High Fly Innovators, Krishna Public School, Raipur.
And I Jamit Singh, and here we are going to give a brief explanation on our idea. Women's empowerment and promoting women's rights have emerged as a part of a major global movement. But despite a great deal at progress, women and girls continue to face discrimination and violence in every part of the world.
For education, job and other work, women, girls need to go from one place to another in various vehicles like autos, taxis, buses, etc. But how far these vehicles are safe for them are known through Delhi's Nirbhaya case or through known veterinarian doctor case in Telangana.
Cases of abduction and murder of women girls are everyday news. So we felt that there should be some solution for that. Here we are making an arrangement which includes mobile of women or girl and a device that is being fitted in the vehicle.
Nowadays mobile is so common that it is in everyone's hand. We see that on pressing the top right button in smartphone or the power button for 2 to 3 seconds, it shows two options of one reboot and one switch off. Here a third facility of safety option will be introduced by software companies.
Will be made in the nearest police station to receive signal from mobile in form of message or alarm. That alarm will have a peculiar sound just like police siren or ambulance siren.
A multi-operating device will be fixed in every vehicle. That device includes a sensor, speaker, battery and is connected to ignition point of a vehicle.
A woman or girl is traveling alone in taxis, autos, buses, and if she felt like the driver is having a bad intention on her, she will just press the top right button on her mobile for 3.4 seconds.
As soon as she will press the safety option, signal will be received in the nearest police station and they will start tracking the particular vehicle in which she is sitting through GPS. Parallelly on sensing the signal, an alarm will start buzzing from the device which is present in the vehicle. By hearing that peculiar safety sound of device, nearby people will also understand that the person inside the vehicle needs help. Obviously, ignition circuit will break and vehicle will get slowed down and stop. So she will be able to get out of the vehicle and driver's seat belt will be automatically on. So I think it will be a better option for all women and girls who used to travel for their daily work. Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you.